Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Tina and today we're going to turn this dull piece of nightstand into a gorgeous piece. I actually picked this up a while ago at a yard sale. I believe it was around $15. Those imperfections that you see, it didn't come like that. I actually did that myself by putting hot and cold beverages on there without using a coaster. But so far it has held up very well. I liked the color at the time, but now since I'm changing my decor, I wanted to do something a little different. I'm not going to paint the insides of the drawers. Those brackets on the side is one of the reasons why I'm not going to take the drawers out because the brackets were very hard for me to even take out. I probably wouldn't even know how to put them back in, so I just left them as is. But the insides held up really, really good. The outside looks really good as well. But I'm not going to talk the whole video. So if you guys enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel and come back for more videos. Okay, so this is the paint that we'll be using. It's the Beyond paint all-in-one. I went with the color soft gray. This is my first time actually using this paint, but I did go on YouTube to look at a couple of reviews. And if you look at the back, it'll let you know that it can pretty much stick to almost anything. So it's my first time trying it. So let's see. Okay, y'all, this is after one coat. I think it looks really good. If you look closely, you can see that you will need two coats, but I truly believe that the first coat looks amazing. All right, y'all, looks like we are done. I'm just adding these gold knobs to it. I decided not to go with the old hardware. Plus, I think these look a whole lot better than the old hardware. I purchased these at Lowe's as well. But this is the finished project.